Jamaica, the land of reggae and sunshine, is facing tough times. While tourists enjoy the beaches, locals struggle with the high cost of living. In 2024, basic expenses are way up. Rent and utilities can easily eat up 80,000 to 200,000 Jamaican dollars each month. That's like 520 to 1,300 US dollars. Then there's food, another 50,000 to 100,000 Jamaican dollars. Even electricity is expensive, around 15,000 to 20,000 Jamaican dollars. It's a lot for ordinary Jamaicans to handle. People are finding it hard to pay for basic needs. Something has to give. Many are worried about putting food on the table. Walking into a Jamaican supermarket is a shock these days. Prices for basic food have gone through the roof. Locals are struggling to afford even simple groceries. But there's a glimmer of hope. Chinese wholesalers. These shops offer lower prices on all sorts of goods. They buy in bulk and import directly, cutting down costs. This makes a big difference for Jamaicans on a budget. These wholesalers are a lifeline, helping families stretch their money further. 2024 has been a brutal hurricane season for Jamaica. The storms have caused massive damage, especially to farms. We're talking 6.4 million US dollars, or 1 billion Jamaican dollars in losses. Imagine, 85% of banana and plantain crops wiped out in some areas. Greenhouses destroyed, farmers left with nothing. This devastation has sent fruit and vegetable prices soaring. Local markets, usually a source of affordable produce, are feeling the pinch too. Prices are up, and people are finding it harder to buy fresh food. Despite these challenges, Jamaicans are resilient people. They're finding ways to cope, changing their shopping habits and supporting each other. The government is also stepping in, offering aid to farmers and trying to stabilize prices. It's a tough situation, but there's hope for the future. Let's not forget about Jamaica. This island nation needs our support. By learning about their struggles and supporting relief efforts, we can help them get back on their feet.